Begins with Isaac Coverdale. That's lounging picture right there, my man, as he celebrates his first birthday. Isaac, a very happy birthday in Joplin.
All right, and we've got Danielle KERR turning 12 years old this year. Danielle is in Chanute. Birthday love coming from Mom, Dad, and Serena.
LEXI Carpenter is celebrating a 17th birthday. LEXI, a very happy birthday to you. She is celebrating in Carl Junction.
All right, Miss Peggy SPRIGGS is turning 74 years old this year. Happy birthday, Peggy, out in Oswego.
MURRELL Hamilton celebrating 74 as well. Mr. MURRELL, a happy birthday in Jasper.
And in Moran, Jason Botts, birthday wishes to you.
Mr. Henry Moss Jr. is celebrating his 97th birthday. Mr. Moss, a big happy birthday from all of us here at the station. He is in Oswego. Twyla Peak, Miss Twyla, celebrating her 85th, and a happy birthday to you, Twyla. And Jeremy Goa, celebrating 41. Now, the birthday was yesterday, but Jeremy, we wanted to make sure that we got your happy birthday wish on from your father. So a happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this December the 2nd. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or if you choose to go the interweb route, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of a KOAM birthday club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you can get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM birthday club today.